Oke, baik. Mau ditunggu ya untuk pemesanannya.
Pertanyaan saya ada yang barusan yang paling banyak siapa?
Ya, ini.
Dijawab loh bang. Okay, so I'm here right now, and I think today is a new day, and I think I just got back from Singapore. If you've not seen my Singapore vlog, I think I've uploaded about 3 vlogs about to go to Singapore, and then I'm back in Jakarta now. So as I'm back to Jakarta, I have another 3 days sleeping over in Alam Sutera. So Alam Sutera, I'm gonna have this thing called yang namanya training. I think it's something new. It's the NBO and AKLTG collaborations. So we're gonna have 3 days training. I'm very excited for it. Very much excited for it. And it's one of the best thing I've ever felt since a long time. So I'm very excited for it. Collaboration's new. So I'm gonna be here until Rabu, and then it's gonna be called Train the Trainers, as Sampurna is asking us to train the trainers. Very excited for it, and Swing Long is there, and Air Force 1 Team No. 1 is coming. But today it's only me, Georgie, and Finda is here, and right now the man himself is holding the camera also. Evan is here with me. So yeah, I'm gonna show you what 3 days is all about with this camera. And anyway, if you have a new feeling, the camera is new, so it's like my new vlogging camera. 6.3? No, it's 6.400 Sony. So I got it new since it was my birthday yesterday. Shout out to the person who gave it to me. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Hey, I'm here again with this guy.
Siapa ya? Siapa?
I'm here again with this guy.
Bira.
Single.
Iya.
I'm a different people since from.
Do you watch YouTube? Nama YouTube? Pasti dong, nama YouTube. Subscribe dong. Ntar ada di.
Oh.
I'm a YouTuber.
Oh iya. Dari mana Pak? Boleh dong lihat.
Iya dong. Sini saya tulisin nama mana.
Boleh.
She's gonna subscribe to my YouTube channel. So yeah, okay. She's gonna subscribe to my YouTube channel. So she's gonna see later. Bukan follower, ketahuan belum nonton YouTube. Itu namanya subscriber.
Makasih ya Pak.
Di subscribe ya. Yo. Alright, so here it is. I'm in my room. 707 is my room. Let's check it out. Lah. 707, right? It doesn't click. It clicks. Nice. Hey. Good myself. All right. I need to pee. So the room's not bad. Actually, I'm enjoying the room. The room is by myself. Yang sendiri, I gotta call. Hold on. Siapa sih? Lagi turun. Anyway, I'm about to go down. The team is about to have dinner together. I think we always do this, have dinner sebelum kita ada training tomorrow. So tomorrow Sampurna. So let me tell you about the training tomorrow. Ada kurang lebih ada trainers yang akan datang. They ask for growth mindset and they ask about POE, pattern of excellence. So gotta tell you, man, tomorrow we're the right team to do that. But it's all male though, besok nggak ada female. Jadi ya kayak gitulah. The story goes like that. So fairly excited. Nungguin siapa? Saya.
Siapa lagi yang ditelepon tadi?
Lah, si Evan mana?
Udah.
Oh, udah.
Ayo, kita mau kemana?
Masuk.
Say hi.
Yes. Aduh.
Ini bagi makan dah.
You're very excited, bro.
Ayo dong.
Which team are you? Are you winning?
So far ya. World class.
Oh yeah, 1 against 0. That's it. You're winning.
World class bro.
Let's eat.
Di mana?
Motor kecewa ya?
Ya,
Motor kecewa orang banyak.
iya sih, tapi banyak sih yang mesen juga.
Emang kalau saya kelihatannya butuh yang dagingnya banyak ya?
Mbaknya menolong kecewaan kamu ntar. Jadi pas keluar takutnya kamu kecewa.
Ya kan dibilangin dulu aja.
Iya.
Saya suka mendingan mencegah daripada.
Iya benar.
Karena kelihatannya saya butuh yang dagingnya banyak.
Kata apa? Yes.
Ya, ganti aja deh, Mak.
Oh iya, ini kayak
Mana?
Segede gitu bang.
Itu mau rendam cuci tangan atau gimana?
direndam bayi.
Rendam bayi? Waduh. Oh, you want my chili?
I want your chili.
Oh, nggak apa-apa, Mbak. Di-serve aja.
Tapi I want spicy.
Iya sambalnya nanti bisa
Oh,
ditambahin
bisa.
tambah kok.
Mbak nonton YouTube gak? Nonton YouTube gak?
YouTube ya.
Di subscribe dong.
Namanya
AIRFORCE. Sama catat, aku catat.
maaf. Biar bisa.
She's going to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Gak apa-apa sambil promosiin gitu ya.
Iya dong, kan banyak nonton YouTube kan?
Iya.
Iya, saya positif semua isinya.
Oke.
Di subscribe ya.
Terima kasih.
Kalau boleh kasih tahu teman-teman yang lain.
Baik.
Mbaknya
Saya
saya
mau,
angkat loh ya.
saya mau kopi yang full of style. Kopi gayo.
Iya bang, gila.
That's how I get my subscriber. That's how I get my subscriber.
Jadi subscriber lu semua one on one bro.
One-on-one bro. Dari 3,7 lu bisa bayangin dong berapa lama. My subscriber semuanya one-on-one. Bisa kebayang dong berapa lama aku bisa dapat 3,7 subscriber. Hey, man, I lost my voice already. This is day 2 from Sampurna camp, Alpha camp, and they call it the Alpha camp the whole day. And day 2, I didn't take anything day 1 because I was very focused on my material. Like I really wanted to ask myself, what should I focus on and the things that I need to do. So I think the moment I realized that I need to focus on things so I couldn't hold my camera to actually take. But day 2, I'm a bit laid back, meaning that I don't have a session today. So I'm just gonna take one of the swing lock and start kicking. But at the same time, the day 2 we're going to start just now. So they call it Alpha Camp, which is, I think it's a very really cool theme that they have. Is Avengers team, and they have Alpha team 3, 1, 2, and 4. They have 4 teams now, and we have until 12 o'clock to clear the swing lock. I mean, yesterday's process was good. I mean, I keep on telling everyone that you have to trust the process, because we've been going through process all the time, and prosesnya itu harus dipercaya aja. But anyway, today I won't talk anymore. I'll show you a couple of things when people go through what they went through and how awesome they are literally on the log. And let's make a difference today, transforming life every single day.
Relate dengan location saya yang saya nggak bisa, saya kan event
Yeah, so I guess this is the last day of Sampurna, and yesterday was the last day, and today is the last day for me to stay in the hotel. I mean, everything went well, everything went good, and I think the ending was the peak moment of the program. But I hope everyone's happy, and I think we're about the team about to go home. And as my voice is running out right now, and I'm running everything out from my voice, and it's almost done. But I have training today, di Santa Laurencia. I hope everything is all good until jam 12. Then I go to the office. Then I have another coaching one-on-one. And at night I have a coach training malamnya. Jadi kalau nggak salah jam 6 sampai jam 9. So it's a full day for me today. 3 trainings and 3 events today. And then tomorrow I get a day off. And then the next day I straight away have another DPS, which is dynamic presentation. Anyway, I hope you're enjoying the vlogs and before it too. But anyway, for the Sampurna vlog for this time around, the team will say thank you so much. Please do like the button and press subscribe. And if you haven't noticed, I think my screen on time, sorry, my uploading time has been decreased dari 3 hari sampai 2 hari. Yes, I'm making a lot of vlogs. Anyway, keep it real, keep it clean, and vlog positive. And my friend wants to say goodbye.
Bye.
Booyah! Thank you so much for stumbling into my YouTube channel. Appreciate it that you watched my videos all the way until now. And if you haven't already, please do make sure you punch that like button at the bottom and also press that share button. At the same time, if you like any of the videos like this also, please do make sure you subscribe to my channel. And it's just right there with the red button. In that, thank you so much. I will see you in the next moment to come. You're still here. My social media platform. If you want to follow me, I forgot.